Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use camera timer on iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on camera app. Now here, so if you want to use camera timer on iOS 26, so click on the 6 dot icon. Now here you will see third option is timer, so click on timer. You will select 3 second, 5 second and 10 second. So after selecting, so create a picture, so click on this icon. You will see after 3 second my picture is clicked. So after the procedure, go back to home screen, refresh one. So that's how you can use camera timer on iOS 26. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.